we get a lot of requests for the cleaning solution for copper. So I'm going to lay this out for you in just the next minute or so, and you'll see how easy this really is. It's 500 milliliters or about 17 fluid ounces of water. Okay? Just regular water. 50 milliliters, which is really 1.7, but I just call that 2 ounces of hydrogen peroxide. And you're familiar with that. You get that at your local Walmart, your pharmacy, and this one is this is great. This is 32 ounces. Cost me, it's like 3%. It cost me like 72 cents. Okay. And then 1 ounce, which is 1 ounce, or I can't remember the milliliters, whatever, of citric acid. Which I got a bag right here. I mean, you can get this online. You can buy a pound at a time if you want for like $6 or $8. It'll last you a long, long time. I only need a few ounces. So, and you just mix all this together. And see, that's why I call this the 5-5-1. It's 550 in 1. This is my 5-5-1 mix. That's all it is. In that, if you just put that into a jar, put your copper mesh in there, just leave it sit there for a while, a couple hours, it's done. You can pour it into your worm, plug off both ends of the worm, just let it sit there, and then after a couple of hours, just rinse it out. Use warm soapy water and rinse all the residue out. It's the same thing inside the pot. I mean, it's a great copper or metallic cleaner. Happy distilling.